This is Danny Niemla with Ardan Construction checking in. This is the project we did a walkthrough here a few weeks ago, and we'll be doing another walkthrough today. We had our final or pre-drywall inspection completed this morning, and we have our drywall stocked, ready to go. And we'll have our insulators here first thing tomorrow morning to get everything insulated, all the walls insulated, and then we'll also have our drywall guys here hanging drywall tomorrow as well. So looking forward to getting this project all put back together and start putting the finishes in. And Steve will lead us around and show us what we have going on.
Good afternoon. It's Steve with Ardan here. We're over here at this project here. We're gonna show you guys around. We're getting ready for insulation and drywall and that kind of thing. So one of the first things, again, just with the COVID, we got the sink set up for the wash station still. Having our subs use all that and keep their hands clean and keep the job site safe for everybody. As we transition to the inside here, you start to see drywall packed up against the corners, edges, got drywall, ceiling board, wall board, all set up, some in the hallway. All the electrical is all finished now. All the plumbing's all roughed in, gas lines, water supply lines, drain lines, all 100% done, roughed in. Framing's all done, miscellaneous hardware that we had to do. There's a lot of structural components we had to work with on this project. And so that's all buttoned up now. Undercab low voltage light wires have all been ran, ready for when we put the cabinets in. Then we hardwired everything right to the bottom of the cabinet. So then we will hook up all the low voltage once we get there. Just looking around here to see kind of if there's anything real new for you guys. Basically, having everything done now, there's a lot of details that we do on the elevation. So we had to figure out the tile backsplash detail. When we come into the windowsill, what does that look like? How does it transition to the window, bottom of cabinet, top of countertop? Those details all need to be figured out at this stage before we get to putting in the backsplash and putting in the cabinets. Yep, this is the owner's cat. He always comes up and says hi to me and rubs on my leg. And so, kitty kitty, do you want to be a part of the video? So yeah, it's been a really fun project up to this point. Had a little bit of challenges that's been new for us is the inspections. We can't have anybody working on the job site while the inspector's on site. That's City of Phoenix requirement now. And so there's been some adjustment to that. Usually the house is pretty full, but the inspector just left and gave us a green tag about 10 minutes ago. As we transition into the master over here, master bathroom, a lot of the details that we're figuring out at this stage, obviously, is how the tile comes together on the shower. How does that transition to this wall top to a glass? We have a backing for the glass supports, backing for the glass supports here. All our niches and everything, all the plumbing, all needed to be set based on the tile, because we have a waterfall feature coming right down the middle of the valve, and so those had to be installed in precise location. And then again, as we transition down into the master bedroom, we just really want to kind of point out how the size of this is really nice for the client, and it has two patio doors, and this patio is a north-facing patio, so it's really nice having this both doors out here, and it's just the size of this patio is just awesome. It's the indoor-outdoor living here in Arizona is just awesome. So it's a good size, good north facing, which is always good, and it sticks out far enough that when the west sun starts to set, as the sun drifts to the north, you get very little sun onto the patio in the summertime. Whole exterior is wrapped, ready for stucco, brown coat, which will happen after drywall gets hung. And that's about the update we have for you right now. Any questions, Danny? Okay, thank you.